This is a quick all you need to know review about this gold towel bar. And as you can see, I'm not really using it as a towel bar. However, here you have an alternative use for it. So I built my walk-in closet myself and I wanted gold accents, so I decided to look for towel bars or something that I could put like a rack for my lingerie. And it worked perfectly. I was surprised how great the quality is when it arrived. It looks really high-end and luxurious. The gold color is perfect, the right amount of shine. Even though I was screwing upside down, it was a really easy and fast installation. I really like that the screws are hidden. This towel bar is made from stainless steel with a gold coat. It is really sturdy and the mount hardware are included. So no matter if you make a do-it-yourself walk-in closet or furnish your bathroom, you can definitely buy this with confidence. It is a high quality towel bar and I can definitely recommend it.